Alright, gonna do a little iPhone 11 unboxing. I have an iPhone 7, which I'm recording with now. I skipped the iPhone X, as enticing as it was, because I managed to have the self-control to not run out and get it. I like to skip versions, just trying to not be such a sucker for consumerism. But nonetheless, I mean, the iPhone 7 is a pretty badass, phone. So this really is not that necessary or needed in the grand scope of things, or even in the freaking small scope of things. It's pretty ridiculous, the type of things that we have. Anyways, not to get into being preachy, I got a fucking iPhone 11. I'm stoked. So fuck yeah, and that's what's up. Here we go. Here it is. It comes out with the weird freaking alien cameras facing you. It's a cool little reflection going on there. I got the space gray, as you can see, and here's the face of the phone. Doesn't look like it has any of that weird stuff going on from the button on the iPhone 10. So that's kind of cool. I haven't actually watched the videos about this thing and all that kind of crap. I just know that it's got these 3 badass cameras that actually have telescopic capabilities. Some kind of informational sheet. I'm sorry, I'm just pulling shit out of this box without showing you. I actually stuffed it all back in and then started pulling it back out again. Phone charger. I sure as hell hope that's not something other than a USB-C. It looks like a USB-C. If they've fucking gone proprietary on yet another, I mean, they're obviously always proprietary, but on another fucking thing, Apple can kiss my fucking ass. Got some earbuds. Would be dope if they were the actual Bluetooth earbuds. I'm missing one of them on mine. If anyone knows of a website where you can just buy just left earbuds or just right earbuds, please let me know in whatever comments this fucking video ends up on. Yeah, that does look like a regular USB-C type of dongle or connection. The other thing that's in here is actual power cord. So sweet, that seems to be it. And let's go ahead and take a look at this. There's 3 buttons there, not unlike most iPhones. It looks like it's got a lock button, volume up and down most likely. Power button seems to be pretty large. Let's try to turn it on and see what happens. Maybe not. Oh, there we go. There's the forbidden fruit. Oh, while that is going, I suppose I will look at this little sheet. Hello! Haha, that was pretty good timing there. I must say, if I do say so myself. Welcome to iPhone. Face ID recognizes your face. Fucking further steeped into this fucking AI shit and giving away all of our rights. Press once to sleep or wake. Press twice to activate Apple Pay. That sounds like I'll do that on accident. Press and hold to turn on iPhone or activate Siri. Check out the tips. Tap to wake. So, we're awake. Control center. Swipe down from the upper right corner to quickly control your music, HomeKit, accessories, and more. Boom. And home. Swipe up to go home. Power off in SOS. Press and hold the side button. Use lightning connector to charge the damn thing. Alright, sounds all regular and straightforward. Let's see, what does this thing say? This is my SIM card remover. Looks pretty similar to all the ones in the past. Don't break it if it ain't broken. Don't fix it if it ain't broke. And I suppose that's it. So this thing still is booting up for the first time. Love Arabic characters. I just watched or listened to an NPR show about an artist that uses Arabic letters in art and paints murals on the wall. Writes really encouraging, inspiring things, grabs world attention, international attention by his art, impacts communities, especially communities that are poor or torn apart by political bullshit, and brings people there to come witness his murals and stimulate the economy thereby, and also just bring attention to his message, which is usually some message of like universality, and that we're all fucking humans, and that we need to get off our high horses and take care of one each other. So it's doing a bunch of shit. I wish I spoke more than just English, but I'm a white male in America. That's all I'm gonna say about that. What are you gonna do? Except for find ways to help other people and bring other people up and fight for equality. Yeah. I don't know what this shit's saying, but I'm sure it's just like loading up or something. I don't know. Get back to English so that I can understand you, because I suck. Swipe to open, it says. English. Select your country, United States. Quick start. If you have an iPhone or iPad running, bring it nearby to sign in automatically. Oh, that's cool. Oh. Sign in automatically. You can also set this iPhone up manually. I'm pretty sure I have iOS 11, so do the thing. I don't know. Anyways, I'm going to set this thing up. You don't want to watch that. Kind of wanted to show you the screen, but you can look at it online. It's my new iPhone 11. Kick ass.